Hi everyone, myself Srinivas. In this video, we will discuss concept on realize and or not operations using NAND gates. Okay, here NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. Okay, by using universal gates, we can construct any other basic gates like AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Okay, that means here by using NAND gate, we will construct AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate operations. Okay, so first we will know basic information about NAND gate. Okay, NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. The output of AND gate is given as an input to the NOT gate, then NAND gate will be formed. Okay, so AND gate two inputs means A dot B will be the output of AND gate, then output of AND gate is given to NOT gate, then A dot B whole bar. Okay, the output of the two inputs NAND gate it is A and B are the inputs and output will be A dot B whole bar. So the easy way of remembering AND gate is write down AND gate inputs, draw one AND gate, draw the NAND gate, NAND NAND gate, and this is one input NAND gate, A as an input, and write down A as an output and just draw one bar above the output. That is a one input NAND gate. Okay, suppose if we are giving two inputs as to the NAND gate, A and B are the inputs. Write down as it is A as one input and B as another input, and keep one dot between A and B and draw one bar. Okay, in this way we can easily remember NAND gates, how to construct NAND gates. Okay, so this is the basic information about NAND gate. If you want further more information about gates, you refer my previous videos. Okay, so right now we will see how to construct NOT gate by using NAND gate. Okay, here the NOT gate may be obtained from NAND gate by connecting all its inputs together. Okay, all its inputs together and you will get output. So as we know, the operation of NOT gate, okay, operation of NOT gate is as we know, operation of NOT gate is A bar. If you give 0, output will be 1. This is a truth table. Okay, A as 1, A bar will be the 0 of this is a NOT gate truth table. Suppose if same, that means this is the operation you have to get by using NAND gate. So suppose only one NAND gate is required to construct NOT gate. Okay, A as an input, then A bar will be the output. Okay, nothing but we got the truth table. Truth table of NOT gate is A as an input, then output will be NOT gate. In this way, NOT gate will be constructed. Coming to AND gate, AND gate can be constructed by using NAND gates. Here we need two NAND gates are needed to construct AND gate. Okay, as we know, output of AND gate is A dot B. Two inputs of AND gate is A dot B. By using these two NAND gates, you have to get output as A dot B. Okay, so first input, as we have just now I told you, I have to easily write inputs, that means inputs to output in NAND gate. Two inputs are there, A and B, and this is the first NAND gate, A and B, and after here you will be writing A dot B whole bar. Write down A here, write down B here, keep one dot and keep one bar. So next the two inputs are combined together and we are giving output of first NAND gate to the second NAND gate. Write down as it is output here A dot B whole bar and keep one bar. Okay, this bar and this bar will get cancelled because A double bar equal to A, it is at NOT law, and final output will be A dot B and it is the output of AND gate. Okay, hence it is proved by nothing but hence we have constructed AND gate by using NAND gates. Okay, finally we will see OR gate by using NAND gates. Nothing but we will construct OR gate logic by using NAND gates. As we know, output of OR gate is A plus B. Nothing but so output will be A plus B. Then by using this we need 3 NAND gates to construct. 3 NAND gates are needed to construct OR gate by using NAND gate. Okay, OR gate logic by using NAND gate. So first the inputs will tie together. So we will give A as an input here, output will be A bar, and next NAND gate we will give B as an input, we will get B bar. The output of first NAND gate and second NAND gate is given to third NAND gate. Write down as it is here A bar, next B bar, keep one dot, keep whole bar. Okay, treat this A bar as A and B bar as B. So as we know, A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar by using De Morgan's law. Okay, A bar B bar. So this will get cancelled, and finally nothing but by A double bar equal to A by using NOT law we will cancel this. Then final our answer is A plus B. Our OR gate logic, OR gate output is A plus B. By using 3 NAND gates we have constructed operation of an OR gate. Okay, nothing but we have constructed OR gate operation by using NAND gates. Okay, thank you. Okay. Hope you understand this topic. If you like my video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We will meet with next topic in next video. Bye.